Have you ever wondered about immortality? Not the fleeting kind lived through descendants or dusty portraits, but true, unbroken existence. We often think of it in terms of heaven, or perhaps a technological singularity. But what if it existed in the abyss, in the cold, uncaring void of space embodied by a single, chilling entity? Think of the Borg Queen, a being that is less individual and more a collective consciousness, given terrifying form. We see her destroyed time and again, blown apart, vaporized, seemingly erased from existence. But is she truly gone, or is she merely dormant? Imagine a hidden chamber deep within the uncharted territories of Borg space, a sterile, pulsating lab filled with the sickly green glow of bioluminescent tubes. Within, a single crystalline cradle hums with power. Inside, a new form is gestating, not born. But this isn't just cloning. This is something far more insidious. This is the culmination of centuries of Borg evolution, a perfected process of memory transfer and personality replication. Each cell, each fiber of this nascent queen vibrates with the echoes of her predecessors. Every defeat, every victory, every chilling word spoken resonates within her very being. She remembers the taste of assimilation, the cold logic of the collective, the burning rage of thwarted ambition. She remembers Picard, Janeway, all those who dared to defy the Borg, and she learns. She adapts. Each iteration is stronger, more cunning, more ruthless than the last. Imagine the weight of that accumulated knowledge, the burden of countless lives lived, countless worlds consumed. It's not just experience. It's a tapestry woven from the suffering and assimilation of trillions. The process begins. The neural pathways are etched with the patterns of her past selves. The cybernetic components are grafted onto her flesh, seamlessly integrating organic and artificial. The Queen is reborn, not as a copy, but as a continuation, a nightmare made flesh. But what if something goes wrong? What if a fragment of individuality, a spark of defiance, remains within the genetic code? What if one of these reborn queens remembers something she shouldn't? What if she questions the collective? The Borg Queen, is she a single entity doomed to repeat the same cycle of conquest and destruction? Or is she a chain binding countless versions of herself to a terrifying destiny? And if that chain can be broken, what then? Is it possible for the Borg to evolve beyond their insatiable hunger? Or are we all ultimately destined to be assimilated? Think about it. The future of the galaxy may depend on the answer.